Hello guys and welcome back into a new brand video. In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how to save a document on Microsoft apps. So make sure to watch the video to the end and follow these simple steps. So basically, when we are talking about documents, we are talking specifically about the Word. So basically, we'll be needing to go to Microsoft Office Word, and either you are using it from your web browser, that means on the cloud or on the online version, or you are using it on your local computer, it will be the similar things. So let's just go to Word directly, and from there, we will be needing just to start a blank document. So from here, we will be able to start any documents, my new document, and basically we can do any editing on this document. So I'm just going to increase size, do whatever on this document, etc. Now to save this document, you will be needing to simply go to the file menu, and from there you will find save. For the first time, you will find the save as. So first, you have two options. Either to save it on your OneDrive, that means your cloud, so you can start like using it on your OneDrive, and whenever I'm going to save it, I can have it like on my online or my cloud. Or you can simply go in the browse to a specific location on your computer and go and save it there. And basically, you will need just to add some name to your file and then go to browse, choose any location, and from there you will click on save and you will have it there. So as you can see, now I'm having my documents that has been saved on my local computer. And for the web version, whenever you are like creating anything on the cloud, it will be automatically saved and automatically created, and you can access to it from the OneDrive. So basically, that's it. Thank you for watching and see you next time.